Good day everyone, I'm back. I'm your student teacher DJ. So our topic for today's video is all about
right triangle. So this is the figure of our example. So we have 20 degrees in angle A. So our adjacent is 4 meters. So we find the hypotenuse and opposite side. So we use the TOA or tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So tan 20 degrees equals to opposite over 4 meters or adjacent. So opposite equals to tan 20 degrees. So times natin yan sa 4 meters. So gamitan natin ng scientific calculator. So ang sagot is equal to 1.4 meters. So plus natin sa eye level to 2. Galing sa mata hanggang sa baba sa ating mga paa. So ang equal is 1.4 plus 1.6 equals to 3 meters. So ang sagot natin sa opposite side is 3 meters. So yan ang sagot. Mayroon na tayong opposite side. So hanapin naman natin yung hypotenuse. Gamitan natin ng Pythagorean theorem na formula. So we have c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c squared equals to ang a natin is 4 squared plus 3 squared yung b. So equals nyan is 16 plus 9. So para makancel is kunin natin yung radical sign. So ilipat natin sa kabila. So square root of 25. So ang sagot is 5. So mayroon na tayong hypotenuse na 5 meters. So yan yung longest leg sa right triangle. So dito lang natatapos ang ating video ngayon at salamat sa panonood.